Alright, what's going on, man? Bees Couch Vibes, you know what I'm saying? Brody, back at y'all with another video. Boom, straight to it. You know what I'm saying? Double flush. You know what I'm saying? High voltage. This is what the junk look like. Come with a little bottle. Oh, pills. Alright, boom. Lasts up to 7 hours, not a mask. Alright, cool. So that's what we on. You know what I'm saying? I'm back at it with another video. You know I ain't gonna hold y'all down. You know I ain't faking, I ain't capping. Had a little situation. Twill took the chain, the Cartiers and the Benz. Bonded out, probation, type shit. Court, job, good money. 26, daughter 5 now, so we still at it. I ain't gonna play with y'all. This shit legit. Go do your shit. Handle your business. Don't say, when the results is on the line, make sure you clean. You know what I mean? I ain't smoked since Christmas Eve. That was last year, so it probably been about 20 days since I smoked. So it say for better results, avoid detox and shit. You know what I'm saying? 24 or 48 hours. Drink entire content of bottle, refill bottle with water and drink. Wait 15 minutes and refill bottle again and drink. Effects can last up to 7 hours. I'm gonna pee 3 times. Let y'all know what the results is. I did a test yesterday, and that bitch said that I was positive on God. So I love my life. I love my daughter. I had a brother that was murdered over goddamn marijuana shit. Never do that serious. Just stop smoking, you know what I'm saying? But unfortunately, niggas been in situations like this because we like to blow Zaza, the gas, the good shit. So what I'm gonna do is hop on my little jump, my little transportation, go get a motherfucking smoke drug testers, and yeah, I'm gonna get this shit popping. Oh, my brother, man, probably killed your bitch ass brother, man. I'm on the way to goddamn go get some drug testers and shit just to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Snowing outside, shit real life. Don't get a DUI on my second DUI, you know what I'm saying? I went from a Benz to a motherfucking e-bike. Bitch ride, this bitch move, but I ain't walking, you know what I'm saying? Do what I gotta do. I'll be right back, you know what I'm saying? Hold up real quick. And I'm gonna just be picking up some dollar janks from the Dollar Tree, man. We ain't spending too much money on this shit, you know what I'm saying? You can take the bus or the bike. Sometimes you make sacrifices, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? My daughter 5 years old now. I'm taking the bus every day to work, riding e-bikes to work. I'm doing what I gotta do as a man, you know what I mean? I'm 27. It is what it is. It's for the YNs, man. Y'all got a chance to goddamn do what you gotta do. Get a job, get some money, make some paper. The bitches always gonna be around, but you know, like having a real Jane that's gonna hold you down. You know what I'm saying? If she ain't holding you down, she's slowing you down. You feel? But at the same time, I'm ready to get to it. Let you know something. Give me 1 second. So I just took another test before I take this drink, right? I'm still showing positive. I haven't smoked since in 20 days, my nigga. I'm still showing positive for THC, like what the fuck? So I have to resort to this and see what's going on. Alright, so my shit came with these pills too, you know what I'm saying? Bitch say pre-cleanse, did that. Consume all capsules with 16-ounce bottle. Wait 30 minutes, drink 32 ounces of water. Product will start being effect after 3 normal pisses, you know what I'm saying? I'm jive slow. I don't do crack. I don't do no fentanyl, no weird ass drugs or nothing. But consume all capsules with 16-ounce bottle. So do you take the plastic pills or you put this shit in the water? I'm gonna put this shit in the water. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I get. Pills might take too long to dissolve. What the fuck? That shit look nasty as a bitch. That shit look. Shake that bitch real good. I don't say shit, but I'm shit. My test at 3, it's 11:40, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this shit now. You know what I mean? And just 30 minutes from now, I'll do this shit at 12:10. Drink the 2 bottles of water. See what this shit tastes like. Oh, this shit nasty. Like, what the fuck? Hey, whatever you do, don't throw this shit up. This shit tastes crazy, though. Oh, shit. I gotta pause the shit. Now I'm gonna wait the 30 seconds or the 30 minutes, whatever the fuck them results. It's been 30 minutes, now I'm ready to take 2 32-ounce jumps. Y'all are all gonna die. Y'all are all gonna die. I'm Gatorade drink. Damn. Should say wait 1 hour. It's been 1 hour. I'm looking for some more. That bit low key tastes like a watered down Gatorade. It said fill it back up. Fill that bitch back up. Well, that's all, folks. I'll let y'all know how my test results go. Know what I'm saying? Part 2 coming soon. I only peed 2 times and I already got a negative result. I might have peed 3, but I don't know. But hey, use at your own risk. Free to go see now. And I'm still drinking water, maintaining my daily intake. So I'm in the car, I'm on the way. I got 2 lines finally showing, so this test result is negative. Use at your own risk. You know?